Hello, children. I have come with another story today. In Budding Leaders, we are making children to develop their personality. In this, let me tell you before going to the story. In addition to having intelligence and setting goals, it is also important that have determination to achieve it. Many of the people just set a goal, start working, but they give up in between. It is only determination that helps us to reach our goal. So, let me tell you the story of a blind doctor. Story of a blind doctor. So, here impossible says possible. Impossible says possible. David Hartman. There was a boy born in Philadelphia in America at the age of 8 years. He developed glaucoma and detached retinas. After three operations, young Hartman learned he would never see again. He had a great dream of becoming a doctor when he shared his dream with others. Almost everyone laughed at it. They strong felt how can a person who cannot see become a doctor? But the boy had a strong determination. His father, a banker, and his mother and sister worked to make him self sufficient and useful. His sister taught him to dry dishes carefully so his son could learn archery. His father attached a bell to the target and the boy aimed at the tinkle. His father's credo was, "You will never know if you can do it unless you try." At At Hartford High School, the boy wrestled and ran with the cross country team, guided by a rope held by another runner. The obstacles to becoming a doctor looked insurmountable to everyone but to the boy. His mother suggested less demanding careers and he politely demurred. He was looking for the toughest challenge he could find. Nine medical schools rejected his application. He never gave up the dream of becoming the doctor. Finally, Temple University courageously decided to give him a chance. He studied hard from the first semester on. He stayed in the top fifth of his class. Boys' success required a massive collaboration of effort not only from classmates and professors but from volunteers who taped medical textbooks, 700 hours of them, and exams. He performed well in anatomical dissection because a lot of surgery is done by touch. Finally, he passed in the final exams with extraordinary marks. His medical degree was handed over to him at Temple University in May. First, his classmates began to applaud, then, their families, the faculty, and university officials joined in. Within a few minutes, all 10,000 people in Convention Hall stood and cheered. Many of them started weeping. The boy's name was David Hartman, the first visually challenged person in the entire world to get graduated from a medical college and to become a successful doctor. He proved to the world that if you have a strong determination, there is nothing impossible to achieve in your life. So, this story will teach us the moral of determination, how it will work in our lives. Thank you.